So I come across when I am on LinkedIn, I come across this B10x advertisement and everything. So it hits me. It's a good field. It's a new field, and there's a thing to in the coming future. It will occupy every industry. So I make up my mind by listening to the demo of Aditya, both Aditya sir. So I am inspired for that. So I am plunged into this. I don't know how to utilize these AI tools or whatever, but I believe on Aditya sir and everything what they have mentioned in the demo. For me, it's the position based at quota because it's a very high cut-short competition here. Nobody is leaving a job. And here, I think networking is what is working because you can't find a job. There's an advertisement in the newspaper. The vacancy is there, but never got a call for the last 3 years, 4 years, because everything is networking. I think this AI education, what I have mentioned in my resume, this has made a real impact. I think so because after so much try for 3 4 years, I never got a call, even a call for interview. But after this, I think they have recognized my this what I have in me, so they will leverage in the future as the time pass. Because I have got a position at a junior level, but I am satisfied because as well as far I am with my family, I can leverage this AI and everything into the education as well.
Okay, so hi Jitendra, welcome. I'm really happy to have you with us today. So
Yeah,
before we
yeah.
start, how are you feeling right now?
It's very exciting to be with the team. Be there for it's a long journey from last
Okay,
year till now. Yeah.
okay, so that's great. So we want to talk about your real journey, what life looked like before, and what challenges you faced. So now, can you briefly introduce yourself and also share what your work or life was like before you joined our masterclass?
Okay. Before joining B10x, the AI tools and everything, I don't know enough about it, but and my life is going as it is, as I am very much disturbed, as I am away from my family. Uh,
Okay, and what work you were doing? In which
I am
domain? In which
I
job?
am I am into education industry, and I am teaching
Hmm.
the medical need students chemistry. I am a chemistry tutor, and
Hmm.
I'm into content writing as well. Everything.
Hmm.
So for the last 7 to 8 years, I have been out of quota because I have
Hmm.
been into Akash Institute, then into Physics Wala. So all of them are giving me positions not based at quota because it's a hub, education hub, and it's a very cutthroat competition over here to get a job.
Hmm.
So I'm trying deliberately for the last 3 4 years, but can't able to make it out. So I am looking for something. Should I change my career profile or what? So I come across when I am on LinkedIn, I come across this B10x advertisement and everything. So it hits me. It's a good field. It's a new field, and there's a thing to in the coming future. It will occupy every industry. So I make up my mind by listening to the demo of Aditya, both Aditya sir. So I am inspired for that. So I am plunged into this. I don't know how to utilize these AI tools or whatever, but I believe on Aditya sir and everything what they have mentioned in the demo. So
Okay, sure. So now can you let me know that were you doing manual tasks earlier or were you already using AI in some way?
no, I am not using. I am not even aware of the AI. Just listening, artificial intelligence is there, but I am not using
Okay.
any such tools. I am not aware of any tool.
Okay. And what was the main reason that made you look for a better way of working? Was it long working hours or repetitive tasks or for growth or recognition?
Basically, I want to have the position at Wizard Quota, and also I want to leverage this AI into education. How to leverage this AI tools and AI education into education so that I can equip myself to get a position at Wizard Quota near
Oh,
my family.
oh,
Yeah.
okay. And how did you first heard about our masterclass?
As I am just on LinkedIn, so there I have seen this Beat and X ad, and there's what I have plunged into it after staying on LinkedIn.
Okay, and what made you feel after like seeing the masterclass ad that you have to give this a try? Was it the skills, curriculum, or mentors?
Yeah, it is the mentors' confidence what they have in inspired me, because they have how they have put up all the things, all the content, what how you will utilize AI, and how this AI will occupy the future market in every aspect of the industry, be it education or whatever. In every aspect, in every field, this AI will must it will come. So why not now? So I
Okay, and what was your first impression after joining the masterclass about teaching style, session structure, and mentors?
It's a very symmetrical and very well thought. This LMS portal is very supportive. I think the Aditya sir has built this all everything in advance. Whatever the problem arises in the minds of the students, they have pre-thought everything. So they have very well structured this content and everything, and they cover
Okay,
every field, not only education, but they cover every field wherever the AI tool is going to apply.
okay, and when did you join our masterclass?
I think it's November,
Oh,
November 4th or 6th of November, I think.
okay.
Yeah.
And how soon did you start seeing real impact? Was it in a few days, weeks, or a month?
I think it's within a week as I got aware of new AI tools. I started using them as per my this background in education. So it's a very interesting. I have never left any class whenever wherever I was, whether it at home or outside. I always try to be on time. Yeah.
Okay, and now can you let me know what is your career achievement that you have achieved? Like after joining our masterclass, the career achievement.
For me, it's the position based at quota, because it's a very high cut-short competition here. Nobody is leaving a job. And here, I think networking is what is working, because you can't find a job. There's an advertisement in the newspaper. The vacancy is there, but never got a call for the last 3 years, 4 years, because everything is networking. I think this AI education, what I have mentioned in my resume, this has made a real impact. I think so, because after so much try for 3 4 years, I never got a call, even a call for interview. But after this, I think they have recognized my this what I have in me, so they will leverage in the future as the time pass. Because I have got a position at a junior level, but I am satisfied, because as well as far I am with my family, I can leverage this AI and everything into the education as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So and now can you let me know what is, can you share also some real examples of how you are using AI in your daily work life?
I will basically just in education industry, the preparation of content writing, the proofreading of modules and everything, and the daily practice sheets, preparation of daily practice sheets for this for practice sheets of students for subjects like chemistry, physics, biology. They need every. There are weekly tests, monthly tests. There are so many tests. So we have to update and create new problems. Uh,
Okay, and after the masterclass, have you started exploring automation or AI workflow?
yes, I have. I want to
Oh,
participate in hackathon as well.
oh, okay,
But
and any repetitive task you have automated and which tool you have used?
basically, I have created a chatbot which I have demonstrated on my LinkedIn profile as well as the first introduction to chat this AI. As I have learned, I have
And
built
which
a.
tool you have used?
Uh,
Which tool you have used?
I have used Gamma and Canva for this PPT presentations, and after
And
that, yeah, I have made use of Excel as well for making these questions and everything.
okay. And so when you joined our masterclass, what goal did you have in mind? Like about salary hike, job freedom, like what?
Basically, I have two goals. One is to get a job based at Kota, to be with my family, and if not, then I will leverage the skills of AI to change my this 12 years career into something AI. to leverage AI skills. I have made up my mind to change my career as well.
Okay. And apart from results, how has this journey changed you as a person in terms of confidence, clarity in decision
Definitely,
making?
definitely, it has built a very, very much confidence in me because I am
Mhm.
with the new Gen Z. Because I am 45
Mhm.
plus, 45 years, but I am now started feeling like Gen Z because I know the modern technology, the AI tools, what Gen Zs are working on. So it's built up a lot of confidence in me.
Okay. And you are from the tech background or non-tech background?
I am non-tech background.
Okay. So being a non-tech background person, how easy was the program for you?
It's very, very, I think, very well thought program because I think there's no need of technical background as the course is planned.
Hmm.
They have mentioned every tool and every how to make use of different AI tools without any coding. So they have explained that the teachers are also very well trained and very experienced what they brought up on LMS. They are really appreciative.
Okay.
And
And where do you
most of
see
them,
yourself? Yeah.
one thing I
You can
want to
tell me.
mention, most of them are Gen Zs. I am surprised to
Mhm.
see this because how these Gen Zs have so much experience from what time they have started learning AI. I am feeling that I am too late in
Mhm.
learning these AI tools. When these Gen Zs have too much experience and they are now interacting and teaching the aged, the experienced professionals. It's really inspiring.
Okay. And now one last question. One more question from my side. That what would you say to someone who is still confused between traditional working and AI based working?
My suggestion is always make friendship with AI. Never be a victim to it because the person who knows AI is an advantage for him. Learning AI is an advantage, not a hindrance. So
Okay.
whatever jobs are available, if you know, as my example is there, I am trying for this quota position for last 3 4 years, and I'm applying. Not even a call is I receive a call. Not even a call I have received. But after mentioning these AI certificates and everything, and on displaying it on LinkedIn, I think it made a difference, and nothing else.
Okay. Okay. And one last question. Where do you see yourself 6 to 12 months from now?
I think I am using heavily on these AI tools because as of now I have opted for the junior position, but
Hmm.
very soon I think I am into the main core team of this venture, the resonance in building the
Hmm.
everything from scratch.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. So thank you so much for sharing your journey so openly. We are truly
uh,
proud to be a part of your journey.
yeah, definitely.
And we also know that your story will also inspire many others to take their first step into learning AI.
It's my privilege, sir. It's my privilege.
Yeah. Yeah. So thank you. Thank you, Jitendra.